First, pair the burner with the receiving board. Find the built-in USB port on the new burner. Connect the data cable to the burner's internal port. Then power on the machine. Find the receiver board with the USB connector. Connect the other end of the cable to the receiver board. Then long press the button on the receiver board until the green light on the receiver board blinks. The pairing of the burner is successful. Unplug the cable from the receiver board and the burner. Next step is to remove the old burner. Power off the machine first. Then take out the water tray. Pull out the pipe by pressing the spring pads on the pipe's edge. Then loosen the burner's air plug wire and disconnect it. Then loosen and disconnect wire number 1 at the bottom of the burner. Press the inline valve poppet to remove the humidifier tube. Press the one-way valve's poppet to remove the cleaning tube. Pull down on the sugar tube. Then go to the back of the machine. Remove the 2 white wires from the heating plate. Finally, remove the 4 fixing nuts. This will allow the old burner to be removed. Next, install the new burner. Place the new burner on the 4 studs. Attach the ground wire to the stud. Then install the spring pads on the 4 studs. When finished, the burner is secured with nuts. Then insert the 2 tubes of the water-cooled structure into the burner. Note that they do not distinguish between left and right. Thread the 2 white wires to the back of the machine. Insert the humidifier tube back into the inline valve. Insert the feed tube back into the burner. Plug the number 1 wire back into the bottom of the burner. Insert the cleaning tube back into the one-way valve. Note the long part that connects to the burner. Plug the burner cable back into the machine and tighten it. Finally, plug the white wire back into the heating plate and secure it. Note that there is no distinction between positive and negative poles.